Hi. Today, we shall learn about the difference between a decree and an order. Let's understand the key differences and then, we shall prepare a comparison chart. So, a decree can only be passed in a suit which is commenced by the presentation of the plaint. On the other hand, an order may originate from a suit by presentation of a plaint, or may arise from a proceeding commenced by a petition or an application. Secondly, a decree conclusively determines the rights of the parties, with regard to all or any of the matters in the controversy. However, on the other hand, an order may or may not finally determine such rights. A decree, as we are aware, can be preliminary or final, partly preliminary or partly final. But there cannot be a preliminary order. There can be only one decree, but there can be many orders in a suit. Moving forward, every decree is appealable except if it is specifically barred by law. But on the other hand, only those orders which are mentioned in the code are appealable. Now, let us draw a comparison chart on the basis of above information. So, first once again draw the meaning of both decree and an order. Decree is the official proclamation of the adjudication by the judge, whereas an order is the official announcement of the decision taken by court. Decree explains the rights of the parties, whereas on the other hand, an order defines the relationship of the parties. Next, decree is passed in a suit initiated by the presentation of plaint, but an order can be passed on the basis of plaint, application or petition. Now, decree deals with substantive legal rights of the parties, whereas an order deals with the procedural rights of the parties. Decree is defined under subsection 2 of Section 2 of the Code of Civil Procedure Act. On the other hand, an order is defined under subsection 14 of Section 2 of the same Act. A decree clearly ascertains the rights of the parties, but an order may or may not clearly ascertain the same. Now, moving on to compare the numbers. There can only be one decree in a suit, however, there can be many orders in a suit. A decree can be preliminary, final, partly preliminary or partly final, but an order is always final. When it comes to appeal, a decree is appealable in nature except it is specifically barred by the law. However, an order can be appealable or non-appealable. Hope this has given you a simplified version of understanding the difference between a decree and an order. Thank you, and stay tuned for our next learning videos.